Good afternoon, and thanks for joining. Today is Thursday, June 28th. I'm really excited to start a brand new YouTube series on a daily trade recap from the Lincoln List Trade Room. For more information on the trade room, you can visit thelincolnlist.com. This service actually offers both day trading and swing trading. If you're interested in day trading, you can join the daily chat room starting at 9 a.m. We're actually one of the few chat rooms that offer live real-time screen sharing with the head trader, Doug Lincoln. This includes real-time stock analysis and official stock picks. If day trading is not your cup of tea, the Lincoln List also offers a swing trading service. This service only has about 3 to 5 official picks each week, so if you're not an active trader, this is a little bit easier to manage. Okay, let's get on to the official picks today from the Lincoln List. The morning started out pretty good with a buy on Vivis, VVUS. We got it here actually at the opening candle at 23.65. The trade immediately went against us, but had a nice bounce here off the 13 EMA. We held pretty solid here for the next 20 minutes or so and got out pretty close to the morning top here at 23.95. So it was a good little trade to start the morning off. Next we'll go to PVA. PVA was called at about 9:40 this morning off the original breakout here. We got in at 674. We waited about 10 minutes on this, and it seemed like it was really getting ready to take off here, but it sort of stalled. And we actually missed the top here at 685, so we got out at 680. So not a bad little trade, but we wanted a little bit more there. The third call was probably the call of the day, LNCR. So this was a real beaut. Had a real crazy opening candle with a large wick. We didn't mess with it then. Instead, we waited a little bit and got it off the breakout from the opening candle's high. Entry at 32.02 was called by Doug Lincoln. And then bam, within 5 minutes this baby took off. So we sold half here at 32.66. We're hoping to ride the half, the remaining half, to see if it would break out again. But when you have a candle like this, that's kind of a pretty unprecedented move. And so we sold our remaining shares at the break-even price at around 32. So a really good trade there. Next was HMSY. Yeah, this was tricky. We leaned into a short here, 1040 short at 32 flat. Two red candles here off the original pump here. As you can see, it really started to stretch, and I think it really needed to take out possibly the base here, 3150, but it didn't. Unfortunately, it actually turned around and went even higher. So we were actually stopped out on this at 32.75. It was a very small size, though. Doug Lincoln warned that trades like this can go against you, and of course, unfortunately, it did. But we were prepared by being in only about 100 shares on that one. Next was ENTR. Okay, so we really like this breakout here on this large candle. Entry at 545, but no momentum here. Faded all the way down. We gave it every chance we could. It tried again here off the 13, didn't go, and then this was sort of the death candle here, and got out at 536. So nothing going on there on ENTR. Next was PCYC. This has been a real crazy stock, as you can see from the action here. A high of 54 intraday all the way down to 47.68 before it came back up. We're a bit short bias on this stock anyways, and it started fading again, so we jumped in on the short at 51.40 here. But really not a lot of action after that. It kind of bounced around within a small range here, and we went ahead and took small profits at 26.40, so I'm sorry, 51.20. So we made 20 cents on that, and it was actually the right time to cover because as the market started to come back up at the end of the day, PCYC followed. So it was a good cover there for 20 cents. Lastly, we have AUXL. Yeah, this was got real slow moving in the afternoon. We bought it here at 1:30, 26.28. It looked like it was trying to break out here and took out that 26.24 high. Unfortunately, it went right back down but sort of arranged, kind of went range bound here for the next hour, and then bam, right with the market towards the end of the day, it started taking off. So we protected our gains since we were coming into the close of the market and got out at 26.40 here. Unfortunately, little did we know that about 5 minutes after the sell signal, SPY really took off. Um, I think it was news-related events, and so we weren't anticipating that. So we actually missed out on a few gains, but it's good to take profits when you can. That's all the live calls from today. If you're interested in joining the Lincoln List, click on the link below. It's a 14-day absolutely free trial for the day trading service. Um, just sign in at the registration, and we'll be getting you login information as soon as possible. Also, if you're interested in the swing trading program, there's a little bit more demand on that. We actually started the portfolio with $1,000 in November of 2011. Today it's actually up over 4,500. The picks there are extremely good, extremely profitable. We have a 5-day trial for that for 14 days if you're interested in the swing. Anything else, feel free to comment and subscribe to the newsletter. Thanks for joining.